Hi, welcome to the seventh part of MS Word tutorial. In the sixth part, we discussed about different shortcuts associated with the tabs. Now let's discuss about the remaining shortcuts with Alt combination. When I click on Alt key on the keyboard, shortcut keys associated with each tab will be displayed, and different shortcuts like 1, 2, 3, 4 for the options and quick access toolbar will be also displayed. So if I use Alt 2, it just works similar to Control S. Okay. Alt 3, undo. Whatever changes that I made in the document, all of them will be displayed. I can undo up to 21 changes. I can undo as many as 21 actions by using Alt 3. Undo list box will be displayed by using Alt 3 shortcuts. Alt F4. To repeat the previous action, we use the shortcut. Suppose now I am typing redo. If I use Alt 4 shortcut, what will happen? Repetition, right? So Alt F8. We know that we can record actions and we can associate those actions to a particular keyboard shortcut key or a particular tool in quick access toolbar or particular option in quick access toolbar by using macros. Macros will record our actions to a shortcut key or a tool in the quick access toolbar by using the shortcut key or by clicking on a particular tool displayed on the screen. We can repeat multiple actions at a time when they are recorded and saved under a shortcut key and tool. The macros dialog box will be opened by using the shortcut Alt F8. Okay. So macro name can be given. We can start creating macro. We can record macro. We can save it with a shortcut key, or we can also save it under a tool in quick access toolbar. Alt F7, the next spelling will be identified and it moves to the next spelling error. Okay. Now here I am typing. So when I use the shortcut Alt F7, what will happen? The cursor will move to next spelling error. Okay. Alt Control 1 applies heading 1 style. Alt Control 2 applies heading 2 style. Alt Control 3 will apply heading 3 style. Okay. Heading 1, heading 2 and heading 3 styles will be applied by using, you can see now, I am clicking on Alt Control 1, heading 1 got selected. You can see on the top, Alt Control 2, heading 2 got selected. Alt Control 3, heading 3 got selected. Heading 4 will not get selected by using Alt Control 4. Okay. Alt Control 4 is the shortcut for rupee symbol. Okay. Clicking on Control Z and I'm undoing all the changes. What is the shortcut? One more shortcut. Alt plus Control plus 4 will give you, what it will give you? Rupee symbol. What is that? Alt Control 4. You got rupee symbol, right? In this manner, we can give different shortcuts, right? Alt Control 1, Control 2, Control 3 and Control 4 are done, right? Now, Alt Control 5 splits the document. When we think about dividing the document into number of parts, that can be done by using the shortcut Alt Control S. You can see the split. Okay. By pressing the same shortcut Alt Control S, the split can be removed also. Okay. Alt Control S. Next, Alt Shift F7, dictionary translator will be displayed. Alt Shift F7. Right. Next, Alt Shift T. Suppose if I click on Alt Shift T, the time field will get inserted. You can see the time field here. It got inserted because of the shortcut Alt Shift T. Time field will be inserted and we can make modification. Alt F4, the application will get closed. Alt F5, restore the window. Okay. These are the shortcuts in part 7 of MS Word tutorial.